Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a very useful feature on the Galaxy Z Flip 5, the Adaptive Power Saving Mode. This feature can help you optimize your battery usage based on your phone's usage pattern. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Home or Apps screen and then tap on the gear icon to launch the Settings app. In the Settings menu, find and then tap on Battery. Next, tap Power Saving. In the Power Saving menu, tap on the three dots located in the top rightmost corner and then tap on Adaptive Power Saving. Finally, toggle the off switch to the on position to enable the feature. When enabled, Power Saving mode will turn on and off automatically based on your phone's usage pattern. To disable the feature, simply toggle the Adaptive Power Saving switch back to the off position. And that's it! You've just learned how to enable and disable the Adaptive Power Saving mode on your Galaxy Z Flip 5. Remember, managing your battery life effectively can extend the lifespan of your device and keep it running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.